Welcome everyone, here are multiple ways to take a screenshot on any Samsung Galaxy Z Fold. So the first way is you're going to press and hold the power button, and then when Bixby activates you're going to ask to take a screenshot. So I do need to set this guy up here, take a screenshot, and you'll see it will take a screenshot of your screen. This is easy, but let's say you're out in the public, do you want to be asking Bixby? No. So the second way is you're going to see the power button and the volume down key. You just want to click release these two keys together. Make sure you add a lot of force. This may take multiple attempts to get working, but once you get it down once, you'll be able to screenshot every time. So let's click and release together. 3, 2, 1. Click release, and you can see a screenshot has been taken just like that. The next way is you're going to get your palm, okay, so palm or your thumb, let's say, and you just want to slide from the far left to the far right hand side of the screen. And you can see when you do that, a screenshot will be taken. I have issues sometimes where, first of all, the screenshot doesn't take, but sometimes it will slide the screen partially and then take the screenshot. Okay, so if you're having issues, you may have may not want to do this way. You can see it's a bit inaccurate. Once you get a specific method down, I'm sure you'll be perfectly fine. Now with the S Pen you can also take screenshots usually using multiple methods. So let's go into the S Pen menu here, and you see the Smart Select option. Tap on this one, and then you can just select the area you want to take a screenshot for. You have the annotation option, you have the option to remove background, so let's say you are screenshotting a person, to remove the background, and then you have the save tool here. You also have the screen write. So when you tap on screen write, it will take a screenshot and it will give you the option to write on the screen. So just resize so it captures the full thing. If you actually need to use a screen write feature, you can, but I'm not going to use that. I'm just going to tap on save. In order to view your screenshots, tap on the Gallery app, Albums, Screenshots, and you're going to see all of the screenshots you have taken in your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. So with that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.